what steps do we need to take in terms of the small business community? How do we change this situation? Because it seems to be going in one direction right now.
Voice is everything, always, right? So speaking up, a lot of people are afraid of government and afraid of officials, so that limits the ability to actually talk to the lawmakers. So your state assembly member, your state senator, or the governor's office, or even your local city council. My message would be is don't be afraid of government. You have the power. You're the citizen, you're the taxpayer, you're the voter. You're creating economic climate, making our communities better. So do call, do email, do listen when, join a business group, a trade association, because they'll help you. They will show you what is happening, how to speak up, and how to be positive. Because I will say, our assembly members and our senators do want to do good by their communities and their constituents. They're just hearing a lot from those who don't employ people.
Right.
And so we need those who employ people to speak up more and to be heard, because it will then help our lawmakers make better decisions.